Assalamu alaikum. I have my cap on and a volumizers. Both are optional. I am using a georgette scarf. I place it over my head with both sides equal in length. I hold the hijab under my chin and create creases on top of my head and on the sides, and hold them. Make sure that they are in line. Grab a snag pin and place it securely under your chin. Tuck the sides in. It is optional. This just frames your face if you have a rounder face. Now hold on to each corner of the scarf at the very end and place it overhead over your, start from under your chin and over your head. Take those two corners over your head, get a straight pin and secure both corners. Make sure that you do secure both corners, because you do end up securing one and the other one just falls. With this side, you can either throw it over your other shoulder, or you can repeat the same as the first side. Grab yourself a straight pin and secure both corners securely. You will have to play around to get that desired look. There we go, the finished look. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.